Right, this is Ngobo Tennis Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town City North. My brother, how's it?
We are proper. We are cruising nicely. We are cruising nicely, Mapolop. Let me try to start by saying to congratulate Ronan Williams. I think the brother has achieved a very extraordinary level. So I take it as an opening something that will say to the African players, we really can do it. So I think that FIFA now, the playing field is starting to be leveled. Now coming to today's games, 3 goals, 3 points. You can
clean sheet.
Clean sheet for that matter.
And he's our captain, man.
You can now say 3 goals.
Captain,
3 goals, 3 points. It's a triangle.
Exactly.
In one or the other. Now it means Shushan and Piano has been extended to Shushan and Piano triangle football. Now I just want to say to Cape Town City, I'm sorry guys, the big fish is on Saturday. Now you happen to be along the way. Now if you happen to be along the way and the Euro train is coming,
obviously you're gonna be kicked out.
It walks you over.
Exactly.
So I just want to say sorry guys, you came at a very wrong time. But there are people that I'm zooming on. I'm zooming on some people.
Naturena people.
Ungaba busy ngegama man.
No, ngibabizanga. Ngibizwe indawo ya.
Igama lomuntu inkomo man.
Mina inkomo izothena.
Yeah man. So we are looking forward to Saturday. We just want to say to them, pass up. Pass up.
So do you think you're gonna win that one easily, or maybe it's gonna be a little bit tougher?
You must ask me how much we are. How
many goals?
Yes. No, because we sometimes give them 5. Let's settle for 4. And then let them have 1 goal just to say to fans they were there. They are a sold out FC. They are also known for selling out the Chiefs. The T-shirts. So Regalia FC or sold out FC.
I want to see you after that game.
You'll see me, my brother. You'll see me. So my brother, this jersey is bringing us the very best of luck.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much, my brother. All the best on Saturday, man.
Sure.
Hola.